Hello, I'm John Gese, Kitsap County Sheriff. Blake decision was a Supreme Court ruling in February of 2021 in Washington State. In the ruling, the drug possession law that had been in effect for decades in Washington State was ruled unconstitutional. And so it had the immediate effect of making the possession of hard drugs legal. Fortunately, the legislature, which was in session at the time, was able to act quickly, and they passed a law in 2021 that recriminalized possession of hard drugs, although there was a lot of criteria that was required before anybody could be arrested. So essentially what happened is law enforcement, providers, advocates had to deal with a new law that was implemented quickly, but what we quickly found is it wasn't very effective.
My name's Will. I guess you'd say I'm a drug addict.
Aaron Devitt. I'm a drug addict. I'm not currently using right now, but I am on and off. I have.
Yeah, well, my name's Jim. The drugs are really gotten bad, and the fentanyl is it's gonna start killing people more and more.
I think that a few of the issues that lead to the rise of the drug epidemic, specifically the fentanyl epidemic right now, is, with the decriminalization of drugs, you have a lack of leverage. Deputy Wallner, I'm the community resource officer, one of the community resource officers for Kitsap Sheriff's Department. With the Blake decision, unfortunately, now that, drugs for the large part have been, decriminalized in the way they have been, there hasn't been a backup plan.
We work with community advocates that work with people out in the community who have drug addictions or behavioral health problems. But we found quickly as we could refer them to them, but the services that everybody thought was there just weren't available. There aren't a lot of treatment centers. There aren't a lot of treatment centers where people can just walk in and get treatment.
As far as people getting into treatment, the biggest challenge there is, is there a place for them to go?
If people want to get help, what do they do?
It seems like there's a huge disconnect for that, but it doesn't seem like if someone does make that huge decision, which is a huge decision to make, nothing is available right in that moment.
If you want off of them, there just ain't the people out there to help you right now. And so I'd say, I want to get in. I'm old anyway. I can't believe how hard it is for a guy like me, single, old, just wants to get some help, and you can't get it.
Because sometimes we all just need an extra hand, and it's, yeah.
For those folks who may need help and may not be able to do it on their own, if they do get arrested and come to jail, we give them the option of having drug treatment and then having them connect with people who provide further treatment once they get out of jail.
My name is Martina Batista, and I'm the Medication Assisted Treatment Nurse Manager for the Kitsap County Jail. Through various avenues, seek out people who need treatment for opiate use and fentanyl.
Hello, my name is Mary D. I'm the reentry coordinator at the Kitsap County Jail. So when they're addicted to drugs and they come in here, they have a chance to detox. It keeps them going. It gives them that desired effect of staying clean and sober.
So when they're in here, we get them better. And I've told them many times that this is their opportunity to never be sick again.
Hi, my name is Regina Avery, and I am the second reentry coordinator for the Kitsap County Jail. I used to have people contact me all the time saying that, this is what saved them.
It did save my life. I think jail and prison saves lives.
I don't wish jail or prison on nobody, but at the same time, it saves lives. My name's Jeremy Whitlock. and I'm going on 3 years into recovery.
My name is Amanda Rodriguez, and I come from a lifestyle of active addiction and now in recovery.
My name is Michelle Vargo, and I'm in recovery. I've been in recovery now for almost 4 years. I did treatment inside of prison 2 times.
So prison, it really did change my life on when and how I was going to come out and do things different.
It actually gave me the tools to turn my life around and be successful and do something with myself.
You know, we don't want to criminalize addiction. We don't want to criminalize, people who are ill. At the same time, if that's our only option, then, is it more compassionate to, leave them out on the street and let them overdose and let them die? Or is it more compassionate to put them in jail, which, is, unfortunate for them, but, at least they're alive.
It is a reasonable option for some people, and for some people, coming to jail has helped save their lives. So this new law provides a couple options. First off, it makes possession of hard drugs a gross misdemeanor. Second off, it does make it an arrestable offense, but it encourages officers to divert folks to services if that's possible. It encourages the prosecutor to divert folks to services if it's available and possible, and gives people a chance to vacate their conviction or not be convicted at all if they follow the treatment programs. Right now, the legislature is in session and they need to hear from folks. They need to hear how people feel about this. This is an important issue. This is really a debated, controversial issue as well. But now is the time to contact your state legislators, or your state senators, your state House representatives, and let them know how you feel. And I would ask you this. I would ask you, please, give law enforcement the basic tools they need to do the job, which is to keep our community safe and deal with public safety. As sheriff, give me the ability to help people